Socrates was a Greek philosopher who is renowned for his contribution to the field of ethics. One of the greatest and most famous Greek philosophers, Socrates is considered the first moral philosopher and one of the founders of Western philosophy. Socrates' quotes on life are full of knowledge, wisdom and foresightedness. Here are some of the choicest quotes by Socrates. The most valuable thing in a person's life is knowledge, and the worst thing is ignorance. My thoughts do not teach or teach anyone, but they definitely make them think about themselves. Without any problem, life has no importance because problems only explain to us the real value of life. By understanding any problem properly, you complete halfway to reach the solution. A person must talk to himself once a day, so that he can know about himself. Every person must get married, because if you get a good wife, then happiness will come, and if you do not get a good wife, then you will definitely become a philosopher. A person who can control himself can control anyone in the world. A true person is always gentle and innocent like a small child. A person should treat other people the way he wants to be with himself. A person should identify his weaknesses and remove them, and the more weaknesses they overcome, the stronger they become. Never help wrong people, wrong thoughts, or wrong actions, it erases our goodness. One should always live with the truth and should only support the truth. The greatest strength of a person is his thoughts and intelligence. You become what you think about yourself. There should not be laziness inside any person, because a life of laziness becomes valueless. You should read the books by using the time properly, because in addition to knowledge in books, people also experience life, which is very invaluable. A person should never lie because the mind becomes dirty by lying. There should be a sense of satisfaction inside the person, because satisfaction is the greatest wealth. One should control his desires, as more desires reveal a feeling of hatred inside the person. The things given in nature should always be used judiciously and only for the good of the people. The biggest difficult task for a person is to control the restlessness of the mind. Most of the ignorant people are against change. Condemnation becomes the weapon of the loser after the debate is over. Death can also become a blessing for a person. A person does not become great only by having wealth, but how he uses it makes him great. People who are priceless think only about eating and drinking, but those who are intelligent think about the values of life. The immortal is the soul of every person, but there must be righteous and kind-heartedness in it. If a man wants to get married or follow celibacy, both of them definitely have some difficulty. A man who knows his bad qualities and also knows the good qualities of others, becomes a very successful man in life. Education works to light the fire inside the person, not to fill it in any vessel. I am not only a citizen of Athens, I am not only a Greek citizen, but I am a citizen of the whole world. The opulence inside a person makes him intelligent by lifting the veil from mystical things. The happiness of life is not in getting more and more precious things, but in enjoying the things that are with themselves. A person should not be a friend anyone either, and if it is done, he should also maintain it very strongly. Great people discuss the values of life, ordinary people discuss world events, and people of lower order discuss each other. A person should have compassion for all living beings, because all living beings are struggling in their respective fields. A person should never be jealous of anyone, because it also pollutes their soul. The person who knows about his ignorance is the most intelligent. The rule of change is to create new things except the essential ones. I am the most intelligent person in this world, because I know that I do not know anything. Wise people know their ignorance, but foolish people do not. Supporting a wrong person is equivalent to making a mistake. A person should improve his life knowing the mistake of other people. You can fulfill any resolve taken in mind. A person does not get good qualities from money, but due to good qualities, he definitely becomes rich. Jealousy is like a disease inside a person. The most valuable thing for a person is knowledge, not wealth, because money is unstable, but knowledge lasts forever. If a person keeps correcting his mistakes constantly, then he becomes a great man. The most difficult task in the world is to control yourself. Laziness is like the tomb of a living person. One should pray to God for the good of all people. Knowledge begins with mystical things. Please like, share, comment and subscribe.